Good morning everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some absolutely fascinating stories that span from the depths of space to your living room tech setup. So stick around as we break down the biggest developments in science and technology. Let's kick things off with something truly extraordinary. Astronomers have just captured the clearest images ever of an exoplanet's surface, and it's all thanks to NASA's James Webb Space Telescope. Now, for decades, we've known that planets exist beyond our solar system, but actually seeing what these distant worlds look like has been nearly impossible. Webb just changed that game completely. The telescope recently gathered detailed data on a rocky exoplanet that's roughly 30% larger than Earth. This is significant because Webb has allowed scientists to actually study the surface characteristics and composition of a world that exists light years away from us. Think about that for a second. We're now at a point where we can peer across the cosmos and observe not just that an exoplanet exists, but what it's actually made of and what its surface looks like. This kind of breakthrough could help us understand how planets form, what conditions might support life, and fundamentally reshape how we view our place in the universe. It's the kind of scientific achievement that feels like science fiction, except it's happening right now. Moving on to something that might hit a little closer to home for some of you. If you've been trying to get your hands on one of Apple's most affordable Macs lately, you've probably noticed they're incredibly hard to find. MacBook Neos and Mac Minis are facing significant availability issues right now, and it all comes down to supply chain problems. Apple is dealing with a perfect storm of challenges including global chip shortages, production constraints, and rising component costs. The entire tech industry has been wrestling with supply chain disruptions, and it looks like Apple's lower-end offerings are bearing the brunt of it at the moment. For consumers, this means fewer options available and potentially longer wait times if you're looking to upgrade your setup. And finally, one more thing that's generating buzz in tech circles today. A new AI tool called Artful has just been added to PyPI, which is basically the official app store for Python developers. What makes Artful interesting is that it's designed as an AI agent specifically for storyboard generation. This is a perfect example of how AI is becoming increasingly specialized and integrated into creative workflows. Rather than being a general-purpose tool, Artful focuses on helping creators and developers automatically generate storyboards, which could speed up everything from animation production to video planning. As AI continues to evolve, we're seeing more and more of these purpose-built tools that tackle specific creative challenges. So there you have it, folks. From jaw-dropping discoveries about distant worlds to practical tools reshaping how we work creatively right here on Earth. Science and technology continue to amaze us with new possibilities every single day. If you found these stories as interesting as we did, please like and subscribe for daily AI updates.